Every place we live carries a silent energy. A home is not only made of walls, doors, and furniture. It is a space where thoughts, emotions, dreams, and intentions gather every day. Many ancient traditions believe that numbers hold symbolic meanings, and the number connected to your home can represent certain qualities, opportunities, and energies. Whether you see it as a spiritual belief or a reminder to create positive surroundings, the meaning we give to numbers can influence the way we experience our lives. Among the many numbers, 6 are often considered special symbols of prosperity, harmony, and growth. 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Each number carries a different message, teaching us something about confidence, balance, transformation, abundance, and wisdom. The number 1 represents new beginnings and self-belief. A home connected with this number is often associated with independence, leadership, and the courage to create a new path. It reminds us that every journey begins with a single step. Wealth does not only come from possessions. It begins with a strong mindset, clear goals, and the willingness to take action. The number 3 symbolizes creativity, communication, and joy. It reminds the people living inside the home to express themselves, share kindness, and build relationships filled with understanding. A peaceful environment where ideas flow freely can open doors to new opportunities. The number 5 represents change, movement, and freedom. Life is constantly transforming, and this number teaches us not to fear change. Sometimes unexpected changes bring hidden blessings and lead us toward greater growth. The number 6 is connected with love, family, and harmony. A home with this energy represents care, responsibility, and emotional balance. True fortune is not only measured by money, but also by the peace we feel when we return home. The number 8 is often linked with abundance, success, and financial growth. It reminds us that prosperity requires discipline, patience, and wise decisions. Wealth grows when we combine ambition with responsibility. The number 9 represents completion, compassion, and wisdom. It teaches that true success comes when we use our achievements to create goodness and help others. But remember, a number alone does not create a fortunate life. The energy of a home is shaped by the thoughts we bring into it, the actions we take, and the kindness we share. A house becomes truly lucky when it is filled with gratitude, positive intentions, respect, and love. Whether your house number is one of these numbers or not, the greatest source of fortune is within you. A peaceful mind creates a peaceful home. A grateful heart attracts more reasons to be thankful. And when we fill our living space with positive energy, every corner becomes a place where growth and happiness can flourish. The real secret of a lucky home is not just the number on the door. It is the wisdom, patience, and positive spirit of the people who live behind that door. The hidden meaning of house numbers and energy. A house number is often believed to carry symbolic energy that reflects the atmosphere, emotions, and experiences within a home. Numbers are seen as reminders of certain qualities and intentions rather than simple digits. That a house is more than a structure made of bricks and walls. It is a place where our emotions, dreams, memories, and intentions come together. Since ancient times, many cultures have believed that numbers carry symbolic meanings, and that the number connected to a home can represent certain qualities or energies. While a number alone cannot decide the future of a person, it can serve as a powerful reminder of the mindset and atmosphere we create inside our living space. The idea behind house numbers is not about waiting for luck to arrive from outside. Instead, it encourages us to look deeper into the energy we bring into our homes. A peaceful home begins with peaceful thoughts. A successful home begins with discipline, gratitude, and positive actions. Numbers can be viewed as symbols that inspire us to develop these qualities in our daily lives. Many people believe that certain numbers represent abundance, harmony, growth, or transformation. Whether someone follows these beliefs spiritually or simply sees them as meaningful traditions, the message remains the same. Our environment influences our thoughts, and our thoughts influence our actions. A home filled with kindness, respect, and positive intentions becomes a place where opportunities can grow. The walls of a house may protect us from the outside world, but the energy inside is created by the people who live there. The true fortune of a home does not come only from a number written on the door. It comes from the love, wisdom, and positive energy that we bring into that space every single day. A meaningful number can be a reminder to create the kind of life we wish to experience. The power of numbers 1 and 3, new beginnings and creativity. Number 1 represents confidence, independence, and the courage to start new journeys, while number 3 symbolizes creativity, communication, happiness, and the flow of positive ideas. The number 1 and the number 3 are often seen as symbols of powerful beginnings and creative energy. These numbers remind us that every great journey starts with a single decision and every achievement begins with a simple idea. The energy associated with number 1 represents independence, confidence, and the courage to follow a unique path. A home connected with this number is often viewed as a place where people can develop their own vision, take responsibility for their choices, and create new opportunities. Number 1 teaches an important lesson. Success begins from within. Before wealth, recognition, or achievements appear in life, there must be determination, self-belief, and the willingness to move forward despite challenges. It represents the strength to begin again and the wisdom to understand that every new chapter brings possibilities. The number 3 carries a different but equally meaningful message. It represents creativity, communication, happiness, and the power of expression. A home connected with this number is often associated with imagination, positive conversations, and an environment where ideas can grow. It reminds us that life becomes richer when we share our thoughts, listen to others, and create connections filled with kindness. Together, these numbers represent the balance between taking action and expressing creativity. They teach that a fortunate life is created when confidence meets imagination. A person who believes in their abilities and allows their creativity to flow can discover new paths toward growth and success. The true meaning behind these numbers is not only about luck, but about awakening the qualities already present within us. A home becomes a place of opportunity when it is filled with C. The influence of numbers 5 and 6, change and harmony. Number 5 teaches acceptance of transformation and new opportunities, while number 6 represents family, love, balance, and the peaceful energy needed to create a happy home. The numbers 5 and 6 carry deep symbolic meanings connected with transformation, balance, and harmony. Life is never completely still. It is a constant journey of change, learning, and growth. The energy associated with number 5 reminds us that change is not something to fear. Instead, it encourages us to accept new experiences and understand that every transition can bring valuable lessons. Sometimes the moments that feel uncertain are the same moments that lead us toward unexpected opportunities and personal growth. A home connected with the number 5 is often seen as a place filled with movement, curiosity, and new possibilities. It represents the courage to explore different paths and the wisdom to adapt when circumstances change. A person who embraces change with a calm and open mind can discover hidden strengths and create a more meaningful life. The number 6 carries a different message. It represents love, family, responsibility, and emotional balance. A home is not truly successful because of its size or appearance. It becomes special because of the peace and connection shared by the people inside it. Number 6 reminds us that true wealth includes strong relationships, compassion, and a caring environment. The energy of number 6 teaches that success without harmony feels incomplete. A peaceful home where people support each other creates a foundation for happiness and growth. It encourages patience, understanding, and the ability to create balance between personal dreams and responsibilities. Together, numbers 5 and 6 teach an important lesson. Life needs both change and stability. Growth comes when we welcome new opportunities while protecting the love and peace that make a home truly meaningful. True fortune comes from within the home. A lucky house is not created only by a number. It is built through gratitude, kindness, positive thoughts, and the actions of the people living inside. The energy we create determines the true prosperity of our home. The greatest secret of a fortunate home is not hidden only in a number written on the door. It is found in the thoughts, actions, and energy created by the people who live inside. A house can have a number that many consider lucky, but without kindness, respect, gratitude, and positive intentions, that symbol loses its deeper meaning. The true power of a home comes from the atmosphere we create every day. A peaceful mind creates a peaceful environment. When people fill their homes with patience, understanding, and compassion, they create a place where happiness and success can naturally grow. The conversations we have, the emotions we share, and the way we treat others all contribute to the energy of our living space. A lucky home is not defined by wealth, size, or appearance. It is defined by the feelings it provides. A simple home filled with love can bring more joy than a large home filled with negativity. The energy of gratitude allows people to recognize the blessings they already have and creates a mindset that attracts more opportunities. Numbers can serve as reminders of important values. They can inspire us to be confident, creative, adaptable, caring, ambitious, and wise. However, the real transformation happens when we apply these qualities to our daily lives. The most powerful force inside any home is the heart of the people living there. When we create harmony within ourselves, we create harmony around us. True fortune is not something that simply arrives at our doorstep. It is something we build through our thoughts, choices, and actions. A home becomes truly lucky when it becomes a place of peace, growth, and positive energy.